Ketua Textile Jong Kejela haringkat kajian Lang bat ka National Institute of Fashion Technology minta kasi kenyotrek unaila aja apulai kala peloy ka National Handloom Day haka jakapuri jong ka National Institute of Fashion Technology haka ni kasi Human Resource Kar ba po Lyngdoh ulalong kumukongsan haringkat buba Meryl Bonds MLA ka nokpo kumusumbut kongsan haka ni kasi rakye ka National Handloom Day kala don ru kajing sami kusnam na kabenta kinong tanjan dan dia pala pelat pat baru ya ka textile map jong Kejela hadin kata layo sa kajing klan na sumbut kongsan bat ba ukongsan pakate kajing lang.
Cabinet. So you must be rest assured of the importance that I attach to the Department of Textiles. Skipping a meeting with the Prime Minister in order to be here with all of you this afternoon. And certainly Meghalaya has arrived in terms of the skills that we have been able to ingrain in ourselves, inherited from our ancestors. I'm happy to learn that some of you are representative of the third generation of weavers in your villages. And today at the exhibition, while going to the various stalls, I encountered a particular gentleman, I think about James, who has gone international, whose products have reached Europe. And what else? The sky is the limit for us. There are more success stories that we can script, should script, and I certainly take it upon myself to lead from the front and ensure that this map is not only to be displayed here at NIFT, this map will become a global map one day. It will be recognized by the rest of the world. We have just released a coffee table book, and with the other departments that I'm in charge of, tourism, arts and culture, social welfare, we will also take this coffee table book to the rest of the world, starting with our own tourism department here in Meghalaya. We must send a strong signal to the rest of the world that Meghalaya and its people are not so good at aiming, but that we are excellent at giving, at showing to the rest of the world. But ang kapitin hasi ko ang Ynnai tang rong donkam ai. We need not only borrow, but we also have to give back to the rest of the world. Show them what talent we have. Show them what creativity we have. Show them the skills, the rich tapestry that is Meghalaya. And I'm sure that with the concept, a couple of months back, I landed at Rajkot and visited the home where Gandhiji was born. And right at the center of the house was the charkha, which has become a national symbol of our desire to be self-dependent. And today we have our very own charkha, which is the spinning wheel that we can only use this wheel in order to march ahead. Ladies, there is a saying that the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Kakti Baba Pinki Ya Jikya But today it's not only the hand that rocks the cradle, it's also the hand that weaves will rule the world. Let us keep that as an aspiration for this Department of Textiles, that the hands that move these spinning wheels will one day rule the world. In a couple of months from now, all our products will be showcased at Milan, Italy, the fashion capital of Europe. It's going to be a huge statement on the part of Meghalaya, a state that till today has this paradox of being a rich land inhabited largely by the poor. This need not be the destiny of Meghalaya. We have to transform this paradox into a success story. Meghalaya has it. We have it in us. Listen to the music that we produce. Look at the craft. Look at how we've come from where we were. Not even 200 years. The Welsh have landed in Sora. 1841, the 22nd of June, 1841. It will be 200 years in 2041. In less than 200 years, this state has produced persons who contested for the presidential election. We have produced somebody who headed the Election Commission of India. We have produced somebody who occupied the post of chairperson of the UPSC. We have produced luminaries that are of international caliber. What is it that is stopping us? Nothing can stop us now. Kid and his band. You know, there's that popular band, New Kids on the Block. But Kid is not a new kid anymore. We have people who have arrived musically, people who have arrived, who have contributed immensely towards the literature, the language, the research. I'm amazed at the talent that we have. And therefore, together, let us be part of this success story. We are too fond of complaining. We are too fond of cribbing. Let us transform the complaining. There is a saying, if you're not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem. If you are not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem. Are you part of the solution or are you part of the problem? Ask yourself and let us optimize our gifted talent. Thank you, Kublai Mithala. Thank you.
By the state government, initiative taken by the central government through the Ministry of Textile for the continuous support to uplift the weavers within the state who are representing different culture, identity of our state. We cannot deny the fact that we have been blessed as a state. We have a beautiful constitution that has been carved out, where we have the 6th schedule to empower the local, the traditional heads. We have the authority upon the soil, the customary law that we have, and many issues with regard protection for the indigenous people of our state. And we are happy to see that as a state, we have a three autonomous district council, the Jainta Hills Autonomous District Council, the Khas Hill Autonomous District Council, and the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And as a citizen of the state, where most of the part of our state is under scheduled land, and this it goes hand in hand at the same time to promote the culture identity through different Rambashtang, the Nokuma, the Hima, district council that we have. And I'm not wrong to say that we are here today to showcase the different unique habit that we have. I came from a village where almost every household they know how to do weaving. I belong to the village from Diwan, Bumden, and the right Mutlu, which has been recognized as an airy village on the 8th of February 2021. Thank you so much to the government of Meghalaya, to the Honorable Chief Minister, to all the officials of the Textile Department, Pak Harkomo, you are the one who have put effort or as an architect to lead from the front.